So the question is the drag force Fd acting on a sphere moving through a fluid is given by the expression Fd equal to K rho V square, where K is constant, rho is the density of the fluid, V is the speed of the sphere. Determine the SI base unit of K. This constant K. We have to determine the SI base unit of K. So for the force, we know from the Newton's law that M into A. So M is basically kilogram, A is acceleration, so it is meter, S minus 2. For rho, it is density, means mass per unit volume. So it is in a kilogram per meter cube or kilogram M minus 3. Similarly, speed V is equal to distance upon time, means meter S minus 1. Okay. So if you just rearrange this equation, so K will be equal to Fd upon rho V square. So Fd is basically kilogram meter S minus 2 and rho is kilogram meter minus 3 and V square is there, that will be M square S minus 2. Fine. Kilogram will cancel out. S minus 2 will cancel out. So it will be M upon M minus 3 M square. It is M minus 1, right? So that means it will be M square only. So the base unit of K will be M square. Thank you.